In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right ShareMe app on your smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, to install ShareMe app, you need to go to Google Play Store and open it and then go to search here. From search for ShareMe, just as that. It is one word. And if you search now, you'll get this app called ShareMe here. Now from here, you can see we have the app. And to know that it's the right app, make sure it is from ShareMe Incorporation. At the time of recording this app had a star rating of 4.8 with over 2 million reviews. And currently this app has been downloaded over 1 billion times. If you see these details, you'll know that you have the right app. Now, because I'm already using a ShareMe smartphone, the only thing I need to do is not to update, because this comes pre-installed. I can only update the app and get the latest version of ShareMe file sharing app. So that's how you can install the right ShareMe app on your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.